I don't know where I'm going, but then I'm going. Stop. How was that? Oh, that was like thunder. Welcome to GP's Vlogs. Oh, this is what I didn't say today before starting my vlog. Today's video, as the title says, is going to be about what all changes I've done to my bike, what all parts I've added to my bike which are not on the stock Continental GT. ऐसे कौन से पार्ट्स है जो मैंने सेपरेटली मेरे बाइक के ऊपर डाले हैं या फिर मैंने चेंजेस किए. So basically these are going to be the frequently asked questions on my vlog or Instagram or anywhere where you see me, or you know, whenever, even when I'm standing at a random signal, someone would ask me about it. So that's what is going to be today's video, and it's going to be a moto vlog day. I'm sure you guys like motor vlogs, and this is one of those most awaited videos because so many people have asked me about what tires you use, what's the exhaust on your bike. Yeah, I've never made a proper video on Optimus Prime about what all things I've used on Optimus, what all changes I've done on Optimus Prime. So आज का video dedicated है आप सभी के लिए. ये देखो. And we have reached Powai Lake. Okay, I have plans of going to RA Colony and doing this review, and I assume there won't be much traffic to reach. Okay, this was one lucky day that at 6 o'clock I could reach RA Colony so quickly. What is this guy doing? By the way, यहाँ पे लस्सी अच्छा मिलता है. I think while going back I'll have lassi from here. Oh, that looks like a nice trail which leads to a ground. Okay, so which turn to take today in RA Colony, because I've almost gone through all this unknown turns which go inside in RA Colony but never documented it. I think I should have documented, right? Okay, there is major traffic jam ahead at RA Colony, so I have to take a U-turn, go behind, because I don't want to get stuck in traffic. Okay, took a random turn to come inside. I don't know where did I turn inside, but then there was a lot of traffic jam ahead, so idhar andar aana pada. Bad road, man, bad road. But this auntie scared me. Okay, should I go up there? I'll go up there and check what comes there. As random as it could be. What will I see from here is nothing. I see nothing. So this road goes somewhere, but I don't know where it goes. But I think this is a superb spot to actually shoot my today's vlog. Now when I turn, you'll see a beautiful view. Wow, look at that. Okay, putting it on stand. Okay, so let's start with today's topic. So what all changes are there on my Continental GT? First of all, this is the seat which you get with Continental GT. I've got a double seat also with it. This is Shaquille exhaust. So the exhaust which is made for Continental GT, that's the reason it has a turn which goes up like that. I'll put a link in description below which will take you to the website of the person who makes this exhaust. The second most important, the most asked question on my vlog is what tires do I use? These are the Metro Continental Exceeder tires, which I think are imported tires, which you don't get in India. These tires are given to me by Raju Bhai, who was the head mechanic or the team leader of the Ladakh ride which I did this time. These tires are better for Ladakh ride. I changed from Pirelli to these tires because these are a little knobby and they were very good in Ladakh, and I would have not used my Pirelli tires in Ladakh. The front section tires are MRF Zappers, Nilo grips. Now, do you want to put same tires on your Continental GT? I would say no. बिकॉज ये टायर बहुत ही स्पेसिफिकली लद्दाख राइड के लिए आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, या अगर आप ऑफ रोड यूज़ करने वाले हो तो कर सकते हो, विच आई डोंट थिंक लॉट ऑफ गाइज वुड डू ऑन कॉन्टिनेंटल जीटी. बट अब मैंने ये टायर डाल दिया है एंड आई एम एन्जॉइंग ये टायर, जिसके लिए मैं इसको अभी भी कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई थिंक आई विल बी changing them in few thousand more kilometers. I have extra accelerator cable installed already on my bike, which were put on the Ladakh ride itself. These mirrors are not the actual original Royal Enfield mirrors. They are actually the aftermarket mirrors which you can get from the link which I have mentioned below. They are from Amazon. Other than that, there are no major changes on which I have done on my Continental GT yet, but I'm doing this video because I might be doing some major changes graphic wise or modification wise soon. So yeah, I might be doing some major changes graphic wise on my bike. Would you want to buy a Continental GT in 2018? Now, as you guys know, Continental GT is currently discontinued to be selling in India, but yes, you can still buy Continental GT from few dealers who still have stocked Continental GT, so it's not that you cannot buy. Would you want to buy a Continental GT in 2018? My answer for you would be depends on you. Yesterday someone asked me about this question, that how do you feel about Royal Enfield Continental GT as you've been riding it? And I answered him only one thing, that Continental GT is all about the feeling. So when you sit on this bike and when you push that button, or when you kick the bike and you start it and you start riding it, you get that feel which is completely different from any other bike which you would ride. और अगर आपको एक कैफे रेसर बाइक चाहिए, फिर ही आप ये बाइक लेना. और अगर आपको कैफे रेसर बाइक नहीं चाहिए, I don't think this bike is worth for you guys. You have to be very sure of what type of bike you need. And yeah, so that's for today about my Continental GT Optimus Prime. So this is GP signing off. All you piston hearts out there, because I'm going to enjoy a beautiful sunset sitting up here. I have to run because Ari colony mein leopards or tigers hai. Yeah, but this looks pretty beautiful place. All you piston hearts out there, don't be an oil can. Okay, one major modification which I have done on my bike, because of which I forgot to say, and because of which I have to ride very slow when there is a lot of water on road, is I've removed the plastic mudguards which come on this bike, the black color ones. There's one behind, one on the front over here. I've removed them, because of which it throws a lot of water on me if I go through water, so I have to go very slow.